Your DJI Osmo Pocket might power on, but if the gimbal doesn't move, you can't capture smooth shots. This can happen due to calibration errors, firmware bugs, or physical blockages. Many users get worried not knowing the simple fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DJI Osmo Pocket Gimbal not moving. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check for physical blockage. First, make sure there's no dust, sand, or debris around the gimbal to blocking movement. If you recently dropped it, check if the gimbal arms are bent or misaligned. Gently move the gimbal with your hand. Don't force it to see if it's stuck. Solution 2. Restart the camera. Power off the DJI Osmo Pocket, then wait for the 10 seconds. After that, power it back on. Sometimes, the gimbal recenters and starts moving after the restart. Solution 3. Check gimbal calibration. Turn on the camera, now swipe down to bring the menus. Now, tap on settings. After that, scroll down a little bit. Tap on gimbal calibration. Next, tap on confirm. Wait a little bit. Now your gimbal will move and calibrate. After calibration is successful, tap confirm. Solution 4. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the homepage of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup and updating usually fixes the problem. And that's it for today. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.